Want to learn how to block screenshots on WhatsApp? Well, I'll teach you how to do it today. Welcome back to our channel. Make sure to watch this video till the end. So, to block screenshots on WhatsApp, make sure to open up the app. As soon as you land on this page, choose one of the account that you want to block screenshots on. Alright? So when you get onto this page, tap on this camera icon just straight to the mic icon on the bottom right corner. Choose one of the picture from the gallery, or either you can even click a picture at the moment. I'm going to choose one from the gallery. As you do this, just below you can see an option of add a caption, and straight to it on the bottom right is one, just here. Tap on one. So as soon as you press OK, you can see that this message will get more private. That is now when you send a view once message, the recipient can take a screenshot of it. Or even for added privacy, they also can share, forward, copy, or save it. Alright, tap on OK. So, and then when you're ready, tap on this send icon on the bottom right corner. So that's it. This is how you block screenshots on WhatsApp. I hope this video was really helpful for you and I was able to help you. I'll see you on the next video. Till then, keep calm, stay safe, and goodbye.